26 January, Happy Republic Day speech for teachers. Good morning, everyone. Respected dignitaries, colleagues, parents, and my dear students. Today, we have gathered to celebrate the 26th Republic Day of India. Republic Day is a day of pride and honor for all Indians. On January 26, 1950, India became a republic. A republic means that the people of the country elect their own leaders. It also means that everyone is equal under the law and no one is above it. On this day, our Constitution came into force. The Constitution is the rule book of our nation. It was written under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and many great minds. The Constitution gives us rights like freedom, equality, and justice. It also reminds us to fulfill our responsibilities as citizens. Every year, we celebrate Republic Day by hoisting the national flag, we sing the national anthem, and remember our freedom fighters. The grand parades in Delhi shows the strength and unity of our country. India is known for its unity in diversity, and this reminds us of it. Students, you are the future of our nation. Respect your parents, teachers, and the rules of our country. Teachers and parents, let us guide our children to be good citizens. Republic Day is not just a celebration. It is a time to reflect on our duties. Let us promise to uphold the principles of our Constitution. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Happy Republic Day.